Hello, welcome to Tokyo Bird. So, a little bit about the Highball. Highball is a really easy, refreshing drink. Really simple ingredients. We're talking just whiskey, soda, and a little bit of lemon, all mixed up together. We will start with a little bit of ice. So you want to get it all filled right up to the top. The more ice you get in there, the colder it can stay. Basically, fill it about halfway with some soda water. Do about a nip of Japanese whiskey. We like to use the Suntory Toki. It's a very, very nice light whiskey. Very, very easy going on the palate. Has really nice touches of notes of nougat. Just one nip. Now I like to just give it a nice light churn. Not too much to get rid of all the bubbles, but just enough to keep. And then top it up with some ice. Just a couple squeezes of lemon around the rim, and then throw it in. Very, very simple and easy to drink in Japanese Highball.